So guys, hi. I'm in the park again with the bike. I'm a bit sweaty, so I'm sorry. But anyway, what I wanted to tell you, wait, is that today I went to the doctor, my practitioner, my family practitioner, and I showed him the papers from the ER, and he was really reluctant to give me a cardiologist prescription to go, and I persuaded him because I need it, but since he didn't give it to me for 2 years, I have to go like it's my first time, so maybe that's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing, I'm not sure. But anyway, the bad thing is my blood pressure at my doctor's was 130 over 110, and that's really, really close. So he told me that it was, almost like a heart attack, so but he didn't give me oxygen, he didn't do anything. I mean, I felt fine, I was just sweaty. And my heart rate is normal always, so we connect all that to my anxiety and my depression, but he didn't want to do anything about that, so that's the problem. And then again, we are coming to a thing that's very important, and that's um, my physical activity, which I'm increasing right now, but it's still, not up to the standard, but it will get there because I am biking every day, I'm eating healthier, but as I see my body is kind of rebelling against pain medication. Maybe I was overusing it, I'm not sure, because I didn't know that ibuprofen 600 can really raise your blood pressure. So he didn't give me anything for my back pain today, not a shot, not anything. Let's just, I'm just gonna let it go, and when it does, I'll start to exercise in the gym, I guess, because I do have to, and it's really cheap here, so there's no excuse for me not to do that. Yeah, and so we'll see. But yeah, I'm just tired, and he told me it's better to take a muscle relaxer than a pain medication when I'm in pain, because not only that it decreases my anxiety, but it decreases my pain and it doesn't raise my blood pressure. So that's good. But I never thought I am gonna have problems with my blood pressure more than with other bad things that's happening to me. So right now I'm waiting for the hospital to tell me when to come. I applied it to hospitals, so which one first is to answer, I'll go there. And yeah, then I have to go do that, and well, that'll be it. We'll see what's going to happen next, because I'm so pre heart attack that it's not normal, because I'm not fat, I don't smoke, I don't drink, I eat quite healthy, but I guess my lifestyle of anxiety, depression, and just being so anxious all the time, and my ADHD, which takes over sometimes, and then you don't know what you're doing. There's something that I have to deal with, and I'm starting and I'm talking to you here because it's a kind of treatment for me. And as you saw in the beginning, the doctor's office waiting room was quite empty when I came there, and well, it was empty. So, but my doctor had a stroke, I have to tell you, and he doesn't remember anything. He wanted to give me a physio for my back, and I told him that I had that for 6 months, and it didn't help. He didn't remember that at all. I mean, a doctor, a physician that had a stroke and doesn't remember his patients, and I'm there for like 20 years, I don't think he should be working anymore, because it's very discouraging that my doctor doesn't know anything about me anymore, so we'll see. But anyway, guys, I have to cut my hair. It's getting long, and my whites are starting to show a lot. It's not that I mind, but And tomorrow I have to go and pay my social security that they told me that I own them. I had to return that money, and I'm just gonna do the whole thing just to get them off my back. And Thursday I have the dentist because my tooth chipped. It just needs to be polished, and I have to ask about another tooth that kind of hurts, but it's dead. So we'll see what's happening there. But there things are starting, like to unfold. So maybe that's a good thing, even if it hurts. But dealing with pain was never really an issue as much as not wanting the pain. So starting to realize that being in pain and dealing with pain is so far away. So we'll see what happens. So I love you guys, and let's just take a little ride and record some more nature. Love you. Bye bye. So guys, I'm just going to the store and then I'm gonna rest. I have to do another painting, the portrait of a baby and the dog together, and we'll see. But yeah, I'm kind of pooped, I'm kind of tired, and I need to rest and to relieve my pain a bit. But it's always nice to be out, so love you.